Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Tank Tries, and today I will be trying, well, I have technically tried both of these already. I've tried the firework, incense, hot and spicy firework, and I have done this, the 2x spicy chicken ramen, or Korean spicy chicken ramen, but not in the ramen cup. So today I'm gonna see which one is spicier. So I'm going to make these here quick, so I will be right back. Okay, I got the noodles boiled and they're ready to go, but now I need to add the items into each, like the seasoning and the heat packets, into the the substance itself. So let's get to this. First we'll do the firework thing because it has a lot, 3 different packages here. So let's just do this quick. This is the seasoning packet. Yep, we gotta add that seasoning packet. Then we'll try these, the veggies. Oh, made a little mess there, but that's alright. That happens. So now this is the hot stuff that, it's got little flames on them. So alright. Okay. Shit looks like fucking blood. Okay. Let's mix this all up. Yep, mixing this all up, you guys, and making it good and spicy for us. Okay. Okay, so I got this good and covered here, so now let's get this one started. This one only has 2. This is like the veggies and stuff like that. So let's open this one up. Well, that cut didn't even open it. Silly me. Let's try it this way. What is the deal here? Come on now. There. Okay, putting this stuff in there. It looks like we got some like seaweed looking stuff, and now it's time for the hot stuff. So let's get to this here. Oops, that fell in there. Okay. Oh God, that just looks scary. Okay, good. Now I'm going to mix this up quick. Oh, that just smells not nice, guys. It definitely doesn't smell nice. Mix it, stir it. Okay, got that one good and covered. I'm going to try the firework one first. Give it a good mixture here. This one has got heat. Well, I was going to say it's not overbearing, but then it kicked in. This thing is actually quite hot. But it's still delicious, you know, you can still eat it. You know, it's not to the point where you can have just one bite and be like, okay, I'm tapping out. This one is good. Like, if you want some heavy heat, I would get, but don't want to pay a lot, get this. One moment. This isn't because my mouth is burning. I need to cleanse the palate for the next one. Okay. Oops, sorry. Now let's try the hot chicken flavored 2X. I remember this one burning me up. God, it smells evil. Let's get to it here. First of all, right away, it's a better quality ramen. It's a better quality. It's like, you know, it's got that, oh, it's a better quality. It'll absorb the water quicker and stuff like that. This is very good, but it's hot and hotter than that one. So this one's hotter and tastes good. This one is less as hot, but still tastes pretty damn good itself. I would go for this one because it's a better quality ramen, but this one's a cheaper brand and it tastes just as good. So, whew. This has been Tank trying 2 different spicy ramens. This one's hotter, but this one's still pretty good in the heat.